Hello everyone, my name is Justin Jos Thomas and my registration number is CR15C031. I got an experiment in Java. It's about that I have to create a simple package. In that the package will be name will be as result and the class marks inside the package will be there. Following methods need to be there inside the classes. Number one, total marks, average marks, and the variables. Variables will be mark1, mark2, mark3. Then I have to create a class to get the user input from the user for mark 1, 2, 3, and I have to display the total marks and the average marks. If the average marks is less than 50%, it will print that the student needs to reappear for the exam, and if the average marks is more than 50%, then student cleared the subject as it will show. For that I have wrote a program in Eclipse. First of all, result package will be there of name result as shown in the question. Then I am importing with java.util.scanner. Then a class is there with name as mark1. In that variables are there mark1, mark2, mark3, and the total value. Float I am giving as average. Average will be of float data type. Then I am passing arguments integer m1, m2, and m3 in total. Then that mark1 will be is equal to m1, this dot mark2 will be equals to m2, and mark3 will be equals to m3. Then the total marks will be equals to m1 plus m2 plus m3. Then it will print system.out.println. It's used to print the line. Here it will show total is, and the total this value will be shown. Then for average a function is still there. Average equals to total upon 3. The total value which will be here, it will divide with 3 and it will print the average value. If average is less than 50, then it will give that student marks. Student must reappear, and if it's greater than 50, then it will show student pass the subjects. Then main function is been written here. Main function here integer m1, m2, and 3 I am taking. Here scan equals to new scanner system.in for taking the input. Then after that system.out.print, it will show like marks. Then user will have to enter the marks. When the user will enter the marks, the first marks will be stored in m1, then m2, then m3. After that the new marks will be calculated and it will show the total and the average marks. So now I will just build and run to show what the output will be. Now here I have to enter the marks. Suppose first marks will be 89, then 98, and then 78. So here you can see the average is greater than 50. So here it's printing like student passed the subject, and the total is 256. Again, if just enter some less marks, 12, 21, and 32. Here the total is 65 and the average is less than 50, that is 21. So it will show that student must reappear the subject. I've got another question. It's the second one. Same, I have to create a package called result. In that this class mark inside the packages will be like total marks, average marks, and same the mark1, mark2, mark3 variables will be there. Same, I have to create a class named student result to get the user input from the user mark1, mark2, mark3. Marks of 3 students need to get it from the user. I have to display the total marks and the average marks for the each students. I have to print the total marks and grade for each students. If print student grade for the following condition, these are the conditions. If average marks is greater than 90, it will be show grade A. If greater than 70 and less than 90, then grade B. If average marks is greater than 50 but less than 70, grade C. And average marks if less than 50, then grade RA, that is reappearance. I'll show that program. Package has been there written as result, same as the question. Then import Java. Class has been written of student marks. Then that student marks, a main function has been there. In that integer m1, m2, m3, and average value is been given as of integer data type, then this student marks will be shown in the screen. And here it will show that it will ask the user to enter the student marks. Then the user will enter the marks, and the marks will be arranged according to M1, M2 and M3. Then the total marks will be calculated and the average will be taken. If average is greater than 90, then it will print grade A. If average is greater than 70 and less than 90, so grade B, then grade C, and then RA for reference. Just build and run. Here you can see same 89, 98, 70 I just did. So here the total marks is 265 and the average is 88. So average is 88, that means the student has passed the subject and the grade is B. So that's all for my side. Thank you for watching the video.